Hi guys, good morning. Friday, end of the work week. The wall is just about done. Heading to Taliban today. What are you doing? Huh? You're lying down? I can see that. You're just throwing up? After all that food you just ate? Wow. You're expensive. I buy the food, you eat it, and then you throw it up. You might as well just throw it in the toilet instead of eating it. Well, we're going to Taliban, right? Yeah, we will. Well, you know, you still... Okay, no, it's like 11 o'clock. Yeah, it's not 9. She says 9, I say 11. It is 10. Alright, I'm going to Gindelman. I have to get the stuff. And we're going to do the rice. Get the rice hulls for the pig. We're going to do the rice mill for the rice that we dried. And then get the supplies for Neri. So we can put up our light. What?
Buy GI pipe 3/4.
GI pipe 3/4.
Yeah, the long one.
20 feet. 20 feet.
Yeah, and 1 kilo of farewell.
Okay. Here we go. The final stretch. So they fixed the incubator, and exactly like I said, it was so dirty. The guys don't clean it out after each time they use it. So once they cleaned out all of the tubes, it works fine now. So we're gonna get this incubator going again. I got a lot of people that want Caberes. Don't bang on the glass. I'm gonna bang on your head. Oh. Dodo, Daddy will be back. Bye bye. I love you. Kiss kiss. Kiss 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 kiss. Kiss. No. Oh, poor kid. Oh, I'm gonna miss this kid. Huh? All right, so Sammy and I are off to the town of Gindelman. The driveway is underway. Why you don't jackhammer with your shoes on?
Huh?
Why you don't jackhammer with your shoes on?
Because it's... You have to transfer, it's already finished.
But it has to be right. It has to be like equal.
But it's not this one, it's not good for...
No, it won't look nice.
That's a very nice idea.
Of course. What do you think?
Engineer.
So originally they made the hole too far. So all right. So here's the deal. So we got the fence. They measured the fence how big the gate's gonna be. Right. So then they started the posts, and the post is gonna go from that post to here. Yeah. And then I said, wait a minute. Well, how long is the distance from here to there? And it was like twice as long as this section right here. So I said, no, we have to make this section has to be equal. So we move the hole over, then we'll put one more post here. And that's the way I want it. All right, let's go. Here. You got all your stuff? You got the rice?
Yeah.
You got the bags for the rice hulls for the pig? You got your shovel? You got the shovel?
Yeah.
Okay.
6 only, the big rice house.
Only 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
This is the only one.
Okay. All right, so we got our rice that we gotta have milled. Then we have to get rice hulls. So I'll see you guys in the town. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm here at the rice mill, and we're getting some rice milled, and we're getting some rice hulls. So let's go take a look. I want to see what's going on. I think they're just about done. So. So we've got the rice hulls. Hey! Hi, how are you? There's the rice mill. We've done, I think this is our rice. You done? All done? How much for the rice? Okay. I have to give those guys some extra money. 99. Oh. Okay. 99. I gotta give these guys some money because they've been very good to me. What's up? You waiting for the bus? Where are those guys? $99. Yeah, it's 200. The extra is for you guys. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. So that's it. Wow. Marcella Farms. The place is so big. It's Mike and Cora. Hold on. Hi. Look who I found. What's going on? So that was Mike and Cora. They are just coming back from the Salakot guy. They want to see. Oh! I didn't unlock it for you. They went to get a price on the Baikubo. They're putting a Baikubo on the point overlooking the water. So that's gonna be nice. So we're all done here. We got everything?
Yeah.
All right, so back to Anda, and then I'll give you some money when we get to Anda. You can go. Hi guys. So yeah, we're here at the house. Cloudy. Beautiful day to go fishing, but no fishing today. We're gonna head to Talabon, and my plan. And whenever I try to do this, it almost never works because we go to Talabon too late. We get there, Lynn's not in the mood. She'll make a big excuse why she don't want to do it. She's tired, her stomach hurts. And I guarantee you, you watch, I'm gonna film her when she gives me the excuse why she doesn't want to go to the island. I'm supposed to get some slipper lobsters and some scallops. So we'll see. So I'm getting ready to leave, and I want to make this video before I go. I'm really happy about the trees. Since we've cut them down, they're really sprouting up. Since I cut the trees down, they're really sprouting up. I'm really happy about that. You see, they're growing new branches. I think these are beautiful trees, and it's going to look beautiful once we landscape all this front. This all front is going to be completely landscaped with nice grass and flowers. So the gate, I know I already went over this, but let me just go over it a little bit better. So I'm going to put a post here, and this wall is going to extend just a little bit. Someday there might be a door here, but for now, my plan is to put the door inside the gate so that you have a door within the gate. So there'll be a post, then a continuation of the wall. And then the gate's going to be from here to about here. About here. There's going to be another post here. We have to do it this way because the opening's too big, and I don't want to have this wall off-centered. I want them to all be the same length. So it should look really, really nice. Sammy loves jackhammering. So Neri's gonna come. Our electrician's gonna come. He's gonna put the light up on the posts. We have an outside light for there, and then they're also gonna run electricity up the tree here, and we're gonna fill this tree with lights, so that this whole area, they're gonna be like hanging bulbs throughout the tree, and it's gonna light up this entire area because this area remains a little dark. The reason being is that we didn't put enough outdoor lights here. This patio that I'm standing on, there were no plans. There were no plans in the drawings to make this patio. And what happens is when you start building, you start to see the formation, and you start to understand, oh, this could go here, this could go there. Stuff that you don't see on paper, you know. So these walkways and these patio was never in the plan. This outdoor shower, never in the plan. So that's why there's not enough lighting here on the outside. So at night, it's this area where we want people to congregate and sit. It's too dark. So we're gonna put hanging lights in this tree. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna light up this whole area. I'm really happy with the grass. It's spreading out pretty good. I really hope that this tree doesn't die. Lynn said this tree will not die. You can't. It's very, very hard to kill this type of tree. I'm very sentimental. I'm a very sentimental person, and this tree is very sentimental to me because the old timer gave this to me. It was just a little leaf. It was just a little plant. When he gave it to us, it was only this big, this tree. We got this tree over a year ago. And look how it's growing. This tree's gonna fill out this whole area once it gets big. And I'm gonna put a plaque here with a bench underneath it with the guy's name who gave us this tree. He's since passed away. He's from the mountains where Lynn is from. The bird situation is crazy around here. We got chickens everywhere. Not much happening in the garden. I'm leaving soon. When I come back, we'll get reorganized with the chickens, and hopefully we'll start doing the villas again. I guess you got to be kind of careful over here. They didn't really do this properly, this wall. It's got to be all redone and cemented properly. And this all has to be weeded, cleaned out, and replanted with things that we can eat. And you kind of have to be careful over here because it's a good spot for snakes. But anything that you plant in this dirt in here is so fertile. Lynn, I don't know how many, I can't tell you how many sacks of cow manure we put in there. Anything that grows in there, anything that you put in there grows. Unbelievable. You can see where the chickens are doing all their scratching, which is nice because it keeps the bugs down. Look at, you can see where they're doing all their scratching. It keeps the bugs down, and it also keeps the weeds down. Eggplants are growing like crazy, crazy. They have to be cut back. I should have Sammy do that. I think this guy's ready to eat, ready to pick. So I'm gonna pick it. A lot of ants here. Be careful for the bees and the snakes. All kinds of things over here that can kill you. Not really seeing anything that I can pick over here. Oh, how's this one? How's this guy doing? Oh yeah, I think this guy's ready. I'm gonna pick this one. That's 3. They just all end up dying. Nobody really picks them. I mean, how many eggplants can you eat? Even me, I love eggplant, but I'm so sick of it. Wow, look at this, is all taken over by the ants. Look at all the white stuff on it. It's crazy. I should have Sammy clean up these plants. Trim them down. There's a big eggplant in there, but it's already rotted. See them? They're all yellow. Oh, good. I don't know if this eggplant is any good or not. So I got 4 eggplants, lots of noisy chickens. They're getting all excited because Sammy's about to give them some water and maybe some food. They get excited with Sammy. Oh my God. This is... That chicken is so scared. Well guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you later. See you in Taliban.